There we have a train. Let's go to that. We have this, and let's open this. Inside we have one train. This was a very good train, and you see the box closed up. Okay. The train closed up. And today we just talk about this video. This video will be too short. This video will be short, and you see how short it is. The train. You see the train wheels. You see the train wheels. You see. You put at the right. You see it's just smallest. You see the train wheels very smallest because it's like a real one. It looks like a real train. Let us look. The view of the train is the view front of the train. Like that. It's like that. In front of the train. Look at this. You see, this is a train box. Here, then we have. Then what we have? This will be an.
Hey,
Okay,
close the window. You open the airport, you never close the window.
Okay. Okay, thanks for watching.